I've been camping here for a couple nights now and been finding little flecks of gold. We have three virgin claims, and so much as they never been mechanically mined. At least that's what the geologists that we do work with told us. They did drillings up here, but it's been hand mined. Old timers moved boulders and had basically the tools I got right now. I have my little invention with the classifier, small gold pan, and one of my 5-gallon buckets. Then I got my big 16-inch gold pan here. They all come together with the set. So right up here about 500 feet, we're going to start doing some sampling. Moose droppings. And here's the trail, the road up to the claims. Not bad. Now I'm going to be shoveling where I think there might be some good pay to see if there's any color. It's going to go through 3 classifiers, and there's a gold pan at the bottom. And then I have a large gold pan. My second 5-gallon bucket, I'm going down in the creek to get some water. Now there's some bedrock right here, solid giant boulder. So I'm going to try to get something on the bottom of that. So here we go. Then just go ahead, top layer. Make sure there's no big gold nuggets. Second layer. Third layer. And wait till you get a good cubic foot or something till you think you have something, but keep checking your classifications. But nice quartz in here. Quartz veining through there. Hey, look at that. So as I was saying, you can go ahead and keep recycling your water. Now remember, we have the small 12, 14-inch gold pan in the bottom. That's where all your fines are right now. We pour the water back in there. There's still a couple gallons in there, but then you can just go ahead and keep washing and washing. All right, now we're going to get rid of this, and then we're going to dump everything into our big gold pan. Now I'm going to take and dump all of what's in the small gold pan into here. Then we'll go down to the creek and pan it. Now you can take out the little gold pan. You'll see the blue up in there. Or you can leave it like this, which is how I'm going to do it, because I'm going to do more than one pan. Gold in the first pan. I figured I would. That took some work there, but if you had some machinery, check it out. Yeah. I probably look a mess, but I'm excited. Gold in my first pan, probably 4 or 5 shovels of dirt, and got quite a few colors. Check it out. cloudy, so I hope the color's coming through. There you go. Not bad at all. Yes, sir. Ha ha.